What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Mill Creek at Evendale. When? Until late this afternoon. Impacts at 14 feet. Flooding occurs near the Sharon and Mosdiller Road intersection, as well as the Long Canal Road. Flood waters begin to enter some businesses near the creek in Reading, Evendale, and Sharonville. Additional details: at 5:45 a.m. Friday, the stage was 8.6 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this morning to a crest of 13.6 feet this morning. It will then fall below flood stage late this morning. Flood stage is 12 feet.